everyone, welcome back with me. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Several task-force ASEAN countries are embracing Web3, which has the potential to simulate a new economic boom. On recent tour of Japan, Sotawan Bet met with city mayor to discuss application for Web3 technology. It's also said to become an technology advisor to GMO, one of Japan's largest internet companies, and Dentsu, its largest advertising company. Like Japan, the US cryptocurrency landscape is tightly regulated, complying exchange to list token that meets strict criteria. Only a fraction of the tokens listed Binance Global Exchange are available on a US platform. The Aster token has now made the leap following an additional to Binance US. Solving real-world problems, Binance US only consider asset that meet its digital asset risk assessment framework solve real-world problems, and about using technology that is core to trends and develop on. Today, a little more than 100 assets have met this criteria and released. Aster will be the first asset from the Kusuma and Polkadot ecosystem to have a listing on Binance US. As part of its drive to improve blockchain interoperability, Aster recently connected to Mainboom network. The integration will support the launch of VASM project and encourage developers to create unique use cases of Aster that leverage Polkadot's powerful XCM format. Asna Network supports the building of the apps with EVM and VACM smart contracts and offer developers true interoperability with cross-conscious messaging. XCM Aster's built to earn model empowers developers to get paid through the ADP staking mechanism from the code they write, the APIs they build. Aster ecosystem has become Polkadot's leading branch globally, supported by all major exchanges, and tier 1 VGS. Aster offers the flexibility and of all Ethereum VASM tooling for developers to start building their DFC. Factory get price stats strong in August, corroborating a picture of unwork and broadening inflationary pressure in the U.S. economy. The Purdue Price Index dipped 1% on the month from July, thanks to crypto gasoline price down nearly 13% on the month, reducing freight costs but less volatile elements of index rose, pushing the core price index up 0.4%. More than expected, including food, energy, and transportation price rose 0.2%. The numbers reflect the same trend as those seen Tuesday customer price report, which also saw headline inflation easing despite signs of price building recent turbulence of economy. Corporate profit margins, which have been a key driver of inflation in the last 2 years, also stay broadly solid. The Bureau of Labor Situation said the index for final demand service rose 0.4% on the month, its first straight monthly rise with 60% of the due to a 0.8% increase in margins. Like yesterday's CPI report today, PPR report shows the inflation pressure remain. Tweet Katie Jones, chief fixed income strategist in which colors cap. Not lost there, without there seeing the peak in annual inflation may already have peaked with the core PPI reaching only 7.3% from a year earlier, down from 7.7% in July. The headline PPI likewise escalated to 8.7% from 9.8%. Chris Daco, chief economist with AY, said the underlying price pressure appeared less concerning. In addition, a drop of nearly 2% in the cost of freight transport by truck. There we also praised this line for categories as driver of hotel, accommodation, of food, and alcohol retailing. The numbers reflect the same to those in the Wednesday report, which also saw headline inflation easing despite seeing of price building resign took now the economy crypto. Crypto profit margins, which have been a key driver on inflation in the last 2 years, also stayed broadly sold by the Bureau of the Labor Citizen, said the index for final demand service rose 0.3 in the month. Read the market moving news with a presented with a stock you care about this. Strain with scholars scope, not less, there were future say that the peak in annual inflation may already have passed with the core PPI rising only 7.3% from a year earlier. Okay, I think that's enough for me. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.